Namaskar. I am going to today tell about one incident that occurred some years back. Borneo is a place in Europe. It it is the largest mosquito city in the world. As mosquitoes bitten people, they were affected with many diseases, and the government has introduced one program of eradicating mosquitoes by DDT. DDT was sprayed and mosquitoes was gone. Everybody was happy. What occurred is that this DDT was on the walls and many other food gatherings, etc. It was eaten by cockroaches, lizard, etc. They died. And it was eaten by cats. Cats died. At last, what occurred is that the population of rats increased and other diseases spread in that city. At last, the government introduced cats back by parachuting. In one parachute, 20 cats was dropped to eliminate rats. What here we have to study is that nature has a balance. However, however, the nature has a balance. Man has no right to imbalance it. However, the sustainable development, however defined, is about future cost and benefit, neither of which is known with certainty. That is what nature tells us. So we have to understand this one and move forward for a bright future. Thank you.